Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Ivan Jerome Genoza, top 7 in the December 2017 Criminologists Licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Ivan.
It is any document defined and regulated by the Code of Commerce or any commercial law. Yan na, nandiyan na, pare. Code of Commerce, commercial law. So, commercial document. Yan, common sense, pare. Okay? Yan na. So, yan na, commercial document. Halimbawa yan, pare, business receipt. Okay? Kaya may binili kang isang bagay. Bumili ka ng motor. Okay? So, yan, nakakuha ka ng motor, may kapalit na pera. So, yan. Pasok yan sa commercial document. Okay? Yun. Okay? So, yan. Punta tayo ngayon sa next. Okay? 22. An affidavit of laws notarized by a notary public is example of what document? Yun na, nabigay ko example yan kanina. Public document siya. Kasi gusto mo ipakita sa lahat, kaya ka nagpo-notary public. Pag affidavit of laws lang na walang firma, hindi pa na-notarized, private pa lang. Pag na-notarized na, magiging public document. Okay? Next, 23. Ay, due to financial troubles, Miss Shield sold her motorcycle in an official business transaction. So, anong tawag doon? May business receipt na. Sabihin, may palitan ng produkto. Meron ng, market. No? Meron ng, pasok na siya sa Code of Commerce kasi nga, kumikita na, no? So, yan. Ha? Pag bumibenta na, tax na yan, no? Kunyari, so yung joke na sobrang benta, yari kayo sabihin, no? Lagyan ng tax yan. Okay? So yan, pare. Okay? Yan ay commercial document. Kasi, ma-involve pare na commerce. Nakalakalan. Okay? Yan. So yan, next question natin. Okay? Okay? Yan. Vodka went to watch the movie 69 Shades of Pink and the Seven Dwarfs. Okay, with his boyfriend Pilsen. Okay, the movie ticket can be considered na paghahalataan si Sir. Okay? Yan. Vodka Pilsen. Okay? Di good yan ngayon habang nagre-review kayo ha. Okay? So ano kaya yan? The movie ticket can be considered as commercial, private, official, public. Okay? Consider daw siya na private document. Okay? Bakit? Kasi di ba, maaaring mapabilang ang movie ticket as private document. Kasi nilikha siya ng isang tao. Kaya nilikha siya na Vista Mall Cinemas, SM Cinemas, no? Okay? Yan. So yun ay private document muna. Ngayon, okay, commercial document ay magpapatunay na may palitan kayo, may private document, ay may patunay kayo, may money, kapalit, serbisyo. Kaso, di ba, pag commercial document na dapat, consider siya na legal tender. Ayun, legal tender na tinatawag. Kasi makikita nyo sa mga resibo na hindi siya ganun ka-laki yung involved na money, no? Okay? Or hindi ganun ka-importante yung business transaction. Nakalagay, no? This is not a valid legal tender. Okay? So, mas magandang option dyan, pare, private document. Okay? Kasi, according to our criminology academicians, okay? Diba? Isang example na ginagamit nila for private document, movie ticket. Okay? Pag deed of sale, yan, commercial document. Okay? Yan. Pag official document, yan nga, top secret file. Pag public document, affidavit of laws na notarial. Okay? Yan, 25 tayo. Before filing the information to the proper court, Nick, a legal assistant, sent the computerized document in email to his boss for approval. An example niyan, pag email, electronic mail. Pag mail, ano yung mail? Sulat, no? Physical, material. Pero pag electronic sabihin, pwede mo na siya ma-view using halimbawa, electronic device. So, magiging electronic document na siya. Okay? So, yan, very good. Electronic document. Okay? Ancient document, di kasi sinasabi na 30 years siyang nakatago. Okay? Email, okay? Tinatanong dito, anong klase na document. Okay? Yan. Next, public document. Okay, hindi naman sinabi dyan na notaryuhan for all to see. Para lang doon sa kanyang boss. So yan. Electronic document.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!